For this video, we'll be learning how to add and edit punch items or inspection points in PlantSight. For this example, punch items are defects within a plant that need to be resolved. Let's go through the process of reporting a bad wire connection for a transmitter. I found this while walking through the plant that I work at, High Point Resources. First, let's add a punch item. To add a punch item, find the component on the drawing that has a defect. Then press and hold down on the component. For this particular project, there are three main groups that will help narrow down what I am looking for. These three things are inspection type, discipline, and category. These main groups can have different names because they are customizable to each plant using PlantSight. Inspection type has to do with the type of work that is being done. Currently, I am working on a commissioning project. Other types can be listed as well. Discipline will narrow down what type of work is being done. I need instrumentation. Category will list more options based on the discipline chosen above. Since I selected instrumentation, my category list shows different instruments that I can work on. Tag will narrow down your selection to the exact instrument or piece of equipment that needs attention. After pressing the arrow next to Instrument, I will find the drawing I am in.
If I needed to go back, I would press the Up button. But I am going to select the differential pressure indicating transmitter.
Priority deals with the importance of the general work being done for the punch item. The highest priority needed for the punch item should be selected. I'm going to state that there's a bad wire needing replacement as well as a scratched out label. The label is less important, but the wire is necessary for functionality. If your supervisor created this punch item, he would make the responsible party one of his field technicians or engineers. Since I am one of the technicians, I have been told to send everything to my commissioning supervisor. He will now be able to assess in more detail what needs to be done. The supervisor could then pick a specific person to carry out the desired solution later. This is useful because I can filter punch items by responsible party. If you forgot how to do that, go back to the navigation training tutorial. One of the major benefits of PlantSight is that you can add a photo. This will allow me to add a picture of the item that needs to be fixed. I can then draw on the picture I just took to show where the problem is and write comments accordingly. I can undo the last thing I drew, or clear all the added drawings. The comments added here should be specific to the picture being taken rather than everything that needs to be done on the punch item. To get rid of the keyboard, I may need to press the Hide Keyboard button at the bottom of my device. I can add the drawing that I am working in to specify the location of this punch item. I can then choose whether or not I want the punch items in the picture to appear. I do, so I'll press Yes. I can also draw on this image and add comments. If I have previously taken a picture of what needs to be fixed, then I can select it from my camera roll on my device after pressing the Attach Photo button. I can also draw on this image and add comments. My personal signature can be added to a punch item if needed. The comments here should give the most detail on the work needing to be done. I will add that the wire needs to be upgraded, as well as a new label for the transmitter. To favorite a punch item, press on the star at the bottom right. You can create templates by favoriting punch items. To edit a punch item, press and hold on a punch item in the plan drawing, or press one of the items in the table of punch items at the bottom half of the screen. This will conclude the basic training on adding and editing punch items.